Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and as I unbox radios, here is an interesting one. I believe it's still in production. It's Panasonic, and it's the Panasonic RF-362 or 562, sorry, 562D, as it doesn't show D here for some reason. I don't know what the D is for, or it's because of the D batteries you need in it, but RF-562 receiver. This is analog, and I purchased it because it had that retro look to it. I find it expensive for what it is, but it is kind of nice. I'm seeing it still sold on Amazon for about 50 to 60 Canadian dollars. So it's an AM/FM shortwave. Shortwave goes from 5 megahertz all the way to 18. So this is kind of interesting. We're going to tune the full 5 to 18 megahertz in the next video. Just wanted to show you this is an analog radio. Very simple to use. I mean, you can be simpler than that. It's like an old analog of the 80s. It's heavy because it has D batteries in it. It has a jack on the side here for a earphone, and it has the band switch on the back, and it has, of course, as you see here, 2D batteries. This is what's running the radio, and that's pretty much it. On the top, of course, there's the telescopic antenna. Nothing, no frills, no real complex thing here. It's like you're on one band or the other and you just tune around. It is not DSP based, as a lot of these radios seem DSP based when you tune them, and they give that weird sense to them. This one is not DSP based. This is really an analog radio. So it feels analog when you tune it. Has that chrome-ish finish of the old days, and I think that's what probably makes it a little attractive, and that's what made me buy it, honestly. I was like, well, it looks attractive, looks interesting. Nice speaker here. It says big speaker, but it's bigger than the little portables, that's for sure. But it is a bigger portable than most also. Apparently it's popular in Asia. I've heard that in Asia this is like the model that everybody wants for some reason. It does shortwave and it does everything else, so simple radio to use, and maybe that's why it's popular. It's so simple to use, but it's okay. I mean, we're going to tune around and you're going to see for yourself its performance. But this is another one that I just took out of my boxes as I'm rebuilding the radio shelf. The Panasonic RF-562, still being sold today. Probably the only Panasonic that's left that has shortwave on it that's still being done. I don't know who makes this. I'd be curious to know who makes this for Panasonic. I wouldn't believe Panasonic makes this on their own. And it certainly doesn't have the quality that Panasonic used to have in some radios back in the past. But it's here. So more videos coming up. We're going to tune the shortwave bands, and we're also going to tune medium wave and see what's in there and how its performance looks like on the shortwave scale and on the medium wave AM scale. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.